Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn letter writing. First, we will learn what is a letter writing. Then, we will look into the different types of letters. And finally, we will understand the format of letter writing with an example. So, let's start. See, what is a letter? A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person, generally via post. Let's see the example to understand it. Suppose there is a person who wants to provide certain important information to another person in written form. So, he will write the message in a paper. Now, this paper is called a letter. He will deliver this letter to a post office and provide the address of the receiver. And then the post office will deliver this letter to the receiver. So the primary purpose of a letter is communication in written form. Now let's see the different types of letter. They are divided into two parts, formal letter and informal letter. So what a formal letter? Formal letter contains. Formal letter is written for business or professional purposes with a specific objective in mind. It uses simple language that can be easy to read and interpret. Formal letters are written to government departments or business instead of unknown individuals. Now, what are informal letters? Informal letters are written for personal communication. It uses casual or emotional tones. Informal letters are written to a friend or close family members instead of business or government. So first we will see how to write a formal letter. First we will understand the format of the formal letter. There are 8 things in formal letters. Number 1 is sender's detail. Here we write sender's name and address. And he is the one who is writing a letter. Second one, date on which the letter is written. Suppose you are writing the letter 26 January 2020. You can write in this way 26 January 2020. Number 3 is receiver's detail. Here we have to write receiver's name and address. He is the one who is receiving the letter and for who the letter is written. Number 4, salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear followed by the recipient's name. If the name is unknown, we use dear sir or madam. Number 5, subject. It is used so that the reader immediately knows what the letter is about. Number 6, body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into three subcategories: introduction, main content, and summary. The introduction paragraph chased purpose of the letter. The main content conveys all the necessary details, and the last paragraph summarizes the information provided. Seventh is complimentary clause. It is a way to end the letter. It basically means goodbye in general talks. Yours faithfully. If you don't know the person, we can write yours faithfully. If we know the person, we can write yours sincerely. Eighth point is sender's name, sign, and designation. Here the name of the sender and a signature comes. Designation also comes when required. So this is the exact format. Let's revise all the details. Step 1 is sender's detail. Second one is date. Third one is receiver's detail. Fourth one is salutation. fifth one is subject, sixth one is body, seventh one is complementary clause, eighth one is name and sign. Understood? Now let's use the format and understand how to write a letter to the editor of a newspaper on the issue of bad condition of roads in your locality. First step is to write sender's detail. Let's see. I 585 Ashraya opposite Nishant school, Ahmedabad. Okay. Now the second step is date 26 January 2020. Third step is to write detail of receiver. Here we are writing a letter to a editor. So receiver's address is the editor Divya Bhaskar, Ahmedabad. Now step 4 is salutation. It's dear sir. Step 5, writing the subject. So the subject is regarding bad condition of roads. Now comes most important part of the letter. It is body, the body of the letter. As discussed, body will be divided into 3 parts: introduction, main content and summary. See how to write body of the letter. Here I have given format. See, though the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the attention of the concerned authorities towards the bad condition of roads in our locality. The condition of roads is completely unacceptable. It has countless potholes, making the purposes of the road a big failure. Moreover, things get ever worse during the rainy season when potholes are not visible due to the poor drainage system and this area becomes heavily accident prone. The road users and especially residents are facing a lot of inconvenience due to the pathetic road condition. It would be good if you publish this in your newspaper, and the concerned authority will be the gravity of this matter, and some measures will be adopted in improve the condition of roads. I hope that you consider the request of the resident of this area and take proper action. So this is the body of the letter. Now seventh step is complementary clause. Let's write yours faithfully. Here as we don't know the editor and okay, so we have written here yours faithfully. And finally eighth step is the name and signature of the person. Let's write the name Dipti Jadhav and my sign here also. I hope you understood this formal letter. Now let's see about how to write an informal letter. First we will see the format of an informal letter. It must have 6 things in it. Number 1, sender's detail. Here we have to write sender's name and address, and the sender is the one who is writing the letter. I have already explained it. Yes or no? Second step, date. Same as formal letter. Okay. Third step is salutation. Generally we use dear followed by the receiver's given name. If you are writing a letter to your best friend, you can write bestie. If you are writing a letter to your mother, you can write dear mother. Step 4 is body. It contains the actual message. Okay. It is usually divided into 3 parts: introduction, main content and summary. The introduction says the purpose of the letter, main content conveys all the necessary details, and the last paragraph summarizes the information. While this is the general format in informal letter, the certain points you need to remember. Number 1, you should use casual tone while writing a letter. Point 2, you can use contractions here. For example, I haven't instead of I have not. Third, you can use exclamatory sentences here. Fourth, you should write a letter in an active voice. And fifth one is most important, there is no such a strict rule to divide your body into 3 paragraphs like formal letters. Okay. Next step is complementary clause. It is the way to end the letter. Generally we use yours lovingly or yours sincerely. Number 6 is sender's name and signature. Let's revise it again. Number 1 is sender's detail. Second one is date. Third one is salutation. Fourth one is body. Fifth one is complementary clause. And sixth one is name and sign. Okay. So let's use the format and understand how to write informal letter. Write a letter to your best friend to wish him on his birthday. First step is sender's detail. See, W102 Aditya, opposite Nishan School, Ahmedabad. Second step is date, 2nd March 2020. And salutation is, here we are writing a letter to a friend. So we can write dear bestie. Okay. Fourth step is body of the letter. As discussed, body may be divided into 3 parts: introduction, main content and summary. It is not compulsory to write 3 steps in an informal letter. You can write your own also. Yes or no? Let's write the body of the letter. See, I can't believe that one of my oldest and surely my closest friend is already 28. You don't look that young though. Thank you for all your support, idiot. I hope that you have a year full of blessings. Oh, forgot. You already have me the best blessings. I would like to remind you of some of the commitment you had with me. We have an arrangement that as I am 2 months younger than you when I would marry, you will marry exactly 2 months after that. You have already crossed the deadline as I am married since last June. The other commitment was that you would call me at least once a week. I had even done a recharge of 10 hours on your mobile, but still waiting for your call. Now it's high time for you to fulfill this and many such promises. Well, fun apart, many happy returns of the day. I hope you achieve all your dreams this year and have a year full of happiness and success. So like this letter it was. Next step is yours lovingly means, okay, complementary clauses, yours lovingly. And last step is name and signature. So here I have written Dipti Jadhav and my sign. Okay. So finally I hope you understood this. Okay, thank you.